Did you know that on an average day, over 100,000 flights take to the skies worldwide? That's a lot of planes. It's hard to imagine so much activity happening over our heads. This complex dance of aircraft is carefully orchestrated by a hidden network of highly skilled professionals, air traffic controllers. They are the unsung heroes of aviation, working tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure the safe and efficient flow of air traffic. Air traffic controllers are the guardians of the sky. They use radar, computers, and direct communication with pilots to guide planes safely through the airspace. Imagine them as conductors of a giant, high-stakes orchestra, where each aircraft is an instrument playing its part in a complex symphony of arrivals, departures, and en route flights. Their primary responsibility is to prevent collisions between aircraft, but they also strive to maintain an orderly flow of traffic, minimizing delays and guiding planes to their destinations on time. The job of an air traffic controller is incredibly demanding and comes with numerous challenges. They must juggle multiple tasks simultaneously, often under intense pressure. Weather is a major factor, as storms, fog, and even strong winds can disrupt flight paths and create hazardous conditions. Traffic congestion is another challenge, especially in busy airspace around major airports. Equipment failures, emergencies, and even unruly passengers can add to the stress and complexity of their work. Despite these challenges, air traffic controllers have an extraordinary safety record. They undergo rigorous training and must possess exceptional skills in communication, decision-making, and spatial awareness. They use sophisticated radar and communication systems to monitor aircraft positions and maintain safe separation between them. Controllers work together as a team, constantly communicating and coordinating their actions to ensure the safe and efficient flow of traffic. Their dedication and expertise are essential to the smooth operation of the global air transportation system. So, next time you fly, take a moment to appreciate the unseen heroes in the control towers who work tirelessly to get you to your destination safely and on time.